Good morning, students. Let's do the exercise of the poem The Lake Isle of Innisfree. I hope you have understood the poem well and you have read it. So this will be very easy for you to solve the exercise. Let's do it. The first question is, three options are given. You have to choose the correct one. The speaker wishes to go to dash. Where? A castle? A dreamland? An island? Yes, the correct answer is an island. Second one. The speaker hopes to find dash in Innisfree. What does he hope to find there? Fairies, love and friendship, or peace and tranquility? Yes, the answer is peace and tranquility. Very well. So the answer is peace and tranquility. Let's come to the third one. The poet hears the sound of the dash when he is away from Innisfree. Yes, when he is there at the place, when he is in Innisfree, there he hears the sound of linnets, crickets, and so many other things. But when he is away from that place, he hears the sound of lake water. Yes, this is the correct answer. He hears the sound of the lake water when he is away from Innisfree. This is given in the last stanza of the poem, that while he is on roadways or pavements, he hears the sound of the lake water. Okay, so the answer is lake water. Fourth one. In Innisfree, the poet wants to live. Why does the poet wants to go to Innisfree? Okay, he wants to go to Innisfree or live Innisfree in the lap of nature, an active life, both A and B. Yes, the answer is first one. He wants to live in the lap of nature. This is the correct answer. Because as we have read in the poem, he doesn't want anything more. He wants only 9 bees of rose and some honey for food, and he will make a small cabin there, and then cabin will be made of wattles. So these things shows that he wants to live in the lap of nature only. He wants to live very calm life, happy life. So let's come to the fifth one. The phrase "be loud glade" suggests. What does this phrase suggest in the poem? A glade that is noisy, a glade where one can hear the sound made by the bees, a glade that is full of bees. A glade, the answer is B. A glade where one can hear the sound made by the bees. So this is the correct answer. Let's repeat. The first. The answer is an island. The speaker hopes to find peace and tranquility. The poet hears the sound of lake water. The next. Poet wants to live in the lap of nature. Fifth, the phrase "be loud glade" suggests a glade where one can hear the sound made by the bees. Understood? Now let's come to the second part. Here explain the meaning of these lines from the poem. For peace comes dropping slow, dropping from the wheels of the morning, the cricket sings. To where the cricket sings. So you are to tell the meaning of these lines here. Let's discuss again. For peace comes dropping slow. The poet says here that peace comes very slowly. if you go to any place and you want to find peace there, then it doesn't mean that you will be there and at once you will get peace. No, the poet says here in this poem that if you are living at place, as the poet wants to go to Innisfree, there he will find peace slowly, slowly. Because there are so many things that poet have discussed here in this poem that gives peace to poet's mind. And here the one thing is given after this. For peace comes dropping slow, peace comes very slowly, dropping from the veils of the morning to where the cricket sings. And this peace comes from the morning time. The poet feels the peace at the time of morning when there is the sound, very uh, melodious sound we can say, or the sound that touches the heart of the poet, made by crickets. So in the morning time when the sound of cricket comes, that also gives peace to poet's mind. Okay, for peace comes dropping slow, peace comes slowly, dropping from the veils of the morning, and it comes from the veils of the morning when the cricket made sounds, when the crickets make sounds. Okay, then second one. Their midnights all a glimmer and noon a purple glow. Here also the poet is discussing that when he lives in Innisfree, there at the time of midnight, means he is discussing that every time in everything he finds peace. And now here in this line he is discussing that at midnight also, that midnights all a glimmer. At the time, glimmer means shine. How the midnight shine? At the time of midnight there are stars in the sky. Okay, so when the stars shine, it gives peace to poet's mind. So that's why the poet is saying that midnights all a glimmer. At midnight there is glimmer everywhere, there is shine everywhere, and noon a purple glow. And at the noon time when sun shines, the sunshine looks like purple color. So midnight, at midnight when the stars shine, this also gives peace to mind. And at the noon time when sun shines, this also gives peace to poet's mind. Understood? I hope it's clear. Let's come to the C part. These are the question answers. I will be sending you the PDF of these question answers, part C and part D. So I hope you have understood the part A and part B. So you are to solve this part A and B in your book and part C and D in your notebook. Okay, I will be sending you the PDF of this. So stay well, read the chapter well, be happy, be safe.